back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Throttle Therapy for the Crown Vics, presented by Todd Builders. The final 15 laps of the evening here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway Grand Opening Bash. Alan Pinball Douglas and Robert Stanton will bring us the green. 15 clean and green flag laps is what we're hoping for. Race is on, and we're underway in the final event of the evening here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. We race down into turn 1 and 2. Alan Douglas shows the way off the back stretch. Lap number 1 in the book. Alan Douglas leads the way. Robert Staten in second. Joey Stringer in third. Matthew Number. Caution is out. Turn number 2. It looks like the 2C of Cameron Norman and the 118 of Trey Delk have come together in between middles of turn 1 and 2. Coming to green. 1 lap down, 14 remain. In the Todd Metals, Crown Vics. Green flag is out, and we are racing. Alan Douglas will lead us into turns 1 and 2. Robert Stanton got a big run down the backstretch. The battle is for third. Oh, big wreck, upside down. Red flag is out. Rescue, rescue, rescue to the backstretch. Rescue to the backstretch. We need rescue to the backstretch. Please stay off of the racetrack. Please stay off of the racetrack. Let the medical personnel do their jobs. Please stay off of the racetrack. Set to go green. Next time by Alan Douglas, Robert Stanton, Joey Stinger, Matthew Norman, and Rodney Keaton will bring us back to green. Single file, nose to tail, till we get to the middle of 3 and 4. Green flag is out, and we are racing here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. The 2B. Caution is out. For the number 91, Caden Keaton. Caution is out. Lights down. We're coming to green down the backstretch. Lights out. Going to green. 1 down, 14 remain. Having a hard time getting the final feature of the night rolling here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. Pinball Alan Douglas leads us into 1 and 2. Robert Staten in second, and Matthew Norman looking to the inside. Everybody makes it clean and green through 3 and 4, or through 1 and 2. We hope they make it through 3 and 4, don't we, Nicholas? Lap number 2 goes to Alan Douglas. Lap 2 is in the books. 2 down, 13 remaining. Got a little crisscross applesauce action right there in the middle of turns 1 and 2. Norman makes his way into second, trying to run down Alan Pinball Douglas. Matthew Norman in second. Robert Stanton in third. Stanton having a hard time entering turns 1 and 2. The 93. Caution is out. Caution is out. Coming to green. 4 laps down, 11 remaining. for the final event of the evening. Green flag is out, and we are racing. Matthew Norman looks underneath the 93 of Allen Pinball Douglas. Douglas leads the way. Norman in second. Side by side for third. The 2C of Cameron Norman looks underneath the 49 of Joey Stringer. That's the race on the track right now for position. The 49 and the 2C side by side. While they do that, Allen Douglas opens up about a 3-car length advantage over Matthew Norman. Down the backstretch into turn number 3. 5 laps down, coming to 6 down, 9 remaining for Fairdale, Kentucky's Allen Pinball Douglas. Matthew Norman in second, Cameron Norman in third, Joey Stringer in fourth. Braden Shelton, the young man out of Radcliffe, Kentucky, is in fifth. We got a pileup on the backstretch, but everybody keeps going. All is well. Everybody gets together, but we stay clean and green. The number 8 of Stratton pulls into the pits. Allen Douglas leads the way. 8 laps down, 7 remain for Fairdale, Kentucky's Allen Pinball Douglas. Matthew Norman in second. Cameron Norman in third. Joey Stringer in fourth. And Braden Shelton rounding out your top 5. Everybody files out, single file racing. The number 91 gets a little crossed up off turn number 4, but no harm, no foul. Coming to the line, 10 laps down, 5 remaining for Allen Douglas. Matthew Norman in second, and Cameron Norman rounding out your top 3. Douglas opens up a big lead down the backstretch, starting to pull away and stretch his lead. Allen Douglas, 11 laps down, 4 remaining in the final feature event of the evening here in the Todd Metals Crown Vic division. Side by side for fourth down the backstretch. Braden Shelton makes a good move underneath the 49. Shelton moves into fourth. The young man out of Radcliffe, Kentucky, picked up a feature win last year at the Ford Future Stars division at the Jeffersonville Sportsdrome Speedway. Speaking of Sportsdrome Speedway, 2-time Sportsdrome Speedway Dromer Figure 8 champion and last year's Crown Vic champion at the Rockcastle Speedway is coming to the white flag. Off turn number 4, it's Allen Douglas. About a half straightaway lead. Opens up to almost a full straightaway lead. Caution is out. The caution is out. The number 49 goes up in smoke. Yeah. Caution comes out on the white flag lap. Almost disaster for your leader, Allen Douglas, as he slowed to a stop to miss the spinning car. Going green. One more lap of racing action here for the Todd Metals Crown Vic in the final event of the evening here in the season opener for the Lake Cumberland Speedway in the grand opening bash. Green flag is out, and we are racing. Allen Douglas leads us into turns 1 and 2. Matthew Norman looks underneath of him, slips the grip off turn number 2 and down the backstretch into turn number 3. Off of turn number 4, checker flag waves for Allen Pinball Douglas. Second is Matthew Norman, and third is Cameron Norman at the line. So your top 3 is like this. In third, in the 2C, it's Cameron Norman. In second, in the 2B, it's Matthew Norman. And your winner, rolling down the front stretch, a 2-time Dromer Figure 8 champion at the Sportsdrome Speedway, the Crown Vic track champion at the Rockcastle Speedway. Off of turn number 2, ladies and gentlemen, give him a hand, Allen Pinball Douglas. Ladies and gentlemen, coming out of the car, out of Fairdale, Kentucky, in the number 93, it's Pinball Alan Douglas.